Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where we'll be exploring some genius backyard landscaping hacks that will undoubtedly make your neighbors green with envy. Whether you have a green thumb or just want to elevate your outdoor space, we've got you covered with some fantastic ideas. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the foundation of your outdoor oasis, raised garden beds. These not only add a touch of charm but also make gardening a breeze. Arrange them strategically to create visual interest and separate different plant varieties. Now, let's add a touch of elegance with a pergola or arbor. This not only provides shade but also serves as a stunning focal point. Consider growing climbing plants on it for a natural and vibrant canopy effect. To seamlessly connect different areas of your backyard, create a stone or brick pathway. It adds a sense of structure and sophistication. Play with patterns and designs to make it uniquely yours. Now, let's move on to the heart of any backyard, the outdoor kitchen or grill station. Imagine hosting summer barbecues with friends and family in this stylish setup. It's not just functional but also a showstopper. As the sun sets, extend your outdoor enjoyment with a fire pit or outdoor fireplace. It not only adds warmth but also creates a cozy ambience. Perfect for roasting marshmallows or enjoying a glass of wine with loved ones. Now, let's embrace nature with a water feature. Whether it's a fountain or a pond, the sound of flowing water adds tranquility to your space. It's a great way to attract local wildlife and create a peaceful retreat. Define different areas in your backyard using retaining walls. They not only add visual interest but also serve as functional elements. Use them to create tiered gardens or seating areas. For those tight on space, consider vertical gardening with a trellis. This not only maximizes your planting area but also adds a touch of charm as plants climb and cascade. Now, let's talk about the ultimate relaxation zone, a well-designed deck or patio. Furnish it with comfortable outdoor seating, like benches, chairs, or even hammocks. This is where you can unwind and enjoy the beauty of your surroundings. To make your backyard a true oasis, ensure privacy with screens. Whether it's fencing or bamboo panels, create a barrier that enhances the feeling of seclusion and intimacy. As the sun sets, illuminate your masterpiece with garden lighting. String lights, pathway lights, and subtle accents can transform your backyard into a magical wonderland. It's the perfect finishing touch. And there you have it, folks. With these genius backyard landscaping hacks, you're well on your way to creating a space that will make your neighbors absolutely jealous. Don't forget to incorporate flower beds, herb gardens, and other personal touches. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more inspiring ideas. Until next time, happy landscaping. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more visit rofhome.com.